Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to preserve our produce, extra produce. We have tomatoes, we preserve peppers, bittermelon, cucumbers. If you want to do it, keep on watching guys, gonna be fun. Nana is like harvesting crazy every day. So sweet. This is the sweetest cherry tomato I've ever tasted.
You didn't even wash it yet.
Who cares? It rains. Rainwater's clean. Man, how can you be stressed with this life? You're harvesting food straight now. Right from the tree. Oh my goodness. These are huge. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, happy, happy, happy bittermelon. Look. And this, what is this?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. And those two. Look at all those cucumbers. Non-stop. Mr. Hiding. Oh, there's some more here. Two more. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at all this. Oh.
We're gonna preserve these.
We're gonna preserve this and the bittermelon. First, you cut in half. Take out the seed. There you go. That's how you prep a bittermelon. Okay, that's the first step. I call my mom a crying lady when she does this because I remember her prepping some of the fish that we catch because we caught too much fish, and when she's cutting the onions she's crying like. And I realized that the work is not hard, but the onion makes you cry. The bittermelon needs to steam a little bit. When the water is boiling, it's ready, right? The color changes a little bit when it boils. The green turns into light green. When that happens, that means it's ready. So maybe 2 more minutes, okay? The one at the bottom a while ago already changed color. This one on top a while ago did not yet change color. So you need to wait. You don't put anything on the jar if it's still hot, okay? So what you want to do is let it dry. You drain it a little bit first. You need 8 ounces vinegar. $16 ounces of water. So that means 1:2, right? At least maybe 2 spoonfuls of salt. One. Wanna take? Really good. I like to do layering. Layer of bittermelon, then pepper, then another layer of bittermelon, layer of this, onions, and garlic, and then layer of, I put fresh cucumber, and I will close it with bitter melon. Okay? Our fermentation mix. Right there. Okay, it's really beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe you're asking, how are you gonna eat that? This is preserved food. You can eat, or you can mix it with saute, or you can eat straight. All right, this time I want to do more peppers. This time, just the peppers. There you go. Pepper in my tinola or in my soup.
Sinigang.
Sinigang. Yep, that's the Filipino dish right there. And then I'll put some onions, so different style. See that? Once the tomato is fermented, they break down and the juice mixed with the pepper. And it's kind of like sweet and spicy. My mix. Careful not to spill. Ooh, watch that mix go down. See, you like the yellow, the green and the white and the red color. Or sometimes you don't need to fill it up until the neck, because once the tomato breaks down, it adds more juice inside, and sometimes it comes out. You see, because of the air pressure. So, all right, we have 2 jars already. You have like a 6-month stock of fresh veggies that is well preserved, organic, ready for winter. This will be my fish
Mark has it.
mix.
Fish mix.
Mm-hmm. All right. There are so many ways you can do it. It's not hard at all to preserve food. The lead that is missing, so we improvise. We use rubber band and Ziploc. Just make sure don't put too much liquid mix or the fermentation mix to overflow the jar. So if you look at this one, I put a little bit extra on it. That's why the fermentation mix passes the neck of the jar. So it should not pass the neck, this one, so that it will not spill. Because some of the veggies have water inside that when it ferments, it gives extra juice. So if it gives extra juice, water rises up. But sometimes because of condensation, the liquid goes down quickly. So that's why I want it filled when I preserve it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something from it. I'm not an expert on food preservation yet, but if you like it, give us a thumbs up, comments, and subscribe. Bye.